Hi guys, I hope you've had a good spring break so far, despite everything that's going on with the virus situation. Um, our midterm was supposed to be next week, but as you know, campus will still be closed to students, and everybody's supposed to be distancing themselves. So coming to campus for a test isn't a good idea, probably for the next couple weeks. So we're looking at other options. One of them would be remote proctoring, but at this point, a lot of those businesses are being slammed. We don't have enough technical support at the college to deal with everybody wanting to do that. So I've made an executive decision that we're just going to do the midterm as an unproctored exam. So you will not be required to come to campus. It will not have a password, but it will still be a test. Okay, I'm still going to require that it be done in one sitting without interruption, or you'll get kicked out and locked out, and that you submit your written work. Okay, so how it's going to work is beginning 8 a.m. on Monday the 30th through 8 p.m. Tuesday the 31st, you will be able to go in and take the midterm. You will need to find a window of time where you have 2 hours to dedicate to it and then take that test. So you won't turn in written work as a hard copy for me. So instead, what I'm going to do is over in Blackboard assignments, I'll add something for midterm exam. You will need to submit that work and your note card. If you choose to use one, you'll need to submit your note card so I can see what all you had on that. Okay, we will also have to then kind of compress the rest of the semester and assignments. I'm still trying to work out those details, but I hope to have an updated timeline for you by the middle of next week, and I'll share that by Blackboard announcement and email as well. In the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns or anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You may get an extra week of spring break, but I don't. All right, take care and stay healthy.